So this is a method that I'm going to show you how to use the Blue Hero, which is the one made for the Emirates. And this is the devices we were talking about. So first thing you do is the kit comes in fully packaged. And on the back here, there will be instruction in Arabic, English, whatever language that is going to be to the customer. The front will have just the symbol and the logo of Blue Hero, which is the UAE. And then you open up the vial, the package. Inside the package, as you will see, there will be product inserts. You get the product insert out, and then you put the device out. The device comes in, as you can see here. Okay. And the device has two strips. One is the antibody strip, which is the purple strip, and the other one is the antigen strip. So we are measuring neutralizing antibodies in the oral fluids, as well as the antigen, the presence or absence of the virus. So you're looking for either the virus active, present, or the person is immunized and cannot transfer infection. And then what you have here is the dual swab. In the dual swab system, pulling out the dual swab from the device, and you'll see on the side here, it has a light color, in the circle, and the circle, as soon as it gets wet, this is when it turns into bright red. You see the bright red color here, because that's just for demonstration to show you. So when it turns red, it will turn bright red. That means it's fully saturated with the saliva. And the method that we use is you take it, you rub it against the cheeks, the both sides, the top of the palate, okay, and the tongue, the back of the pharynx, and the uvula in the back, everywhere in the mouth. So you'll see that method. And then you put it underneath the tongue for the amount of time until these circles turn completely red. It takes depending on the subject, and it takes between 1 to 3 minutes. But again, with the 1 minute of scrubbing inside of the mouth, then putting it underneath the tongue. And then after that, you take it and you put it into the device. So like I'm going to show you now. So you take it in and you put it in and you push down. And as you push down, it will separate. One part of the sample will go into the vial, which goes back to the lab for PCR. And the other part will go into the, what we call it, the point of care chamber, where the lateral flow strips are standing. And that's how the reaction starts. When it's complete, it will look like this. So this is done, and you can see here the collection of the sample. Have the sample that's going to go to the PCR, and this is the portion where negative for the antigen, negative for the antibodies. Again, this is another example, okay, and you can see here part of the same amount that will go into the strips is exactly the same that's present in the vial, and you'll see that. And then after that, you will see the two lines. If the purple strip is positive, you'll see 3 lines or 2 lines, IgG or IgM present, and ultimately we're adding the IgA. And then here on the antigen, you can see the antigen is negative. So only 1 line, which is the control line. And here is another one that you can see the same thing. And now these results actually stays like that for several days, if not weeks. You can actually see some of those devices that I did over 21 days, and it still shows almost, unchanged color, everything very visible, and you can take pictures and you can do a lot of things. So that's about it. Thank you.